use ng apple cider vinegar. So it is optional. Some people use it for taste. Ako, I put it on my electrolyte kapag ako'y nag-extended fasting. So when I do my 3-day fast, so 72 hours, so I have yung aking homemade na electrolyte solution, so yung aking salt, cream of tartar, and then I also take yung aking potassium, magnesium to taste, para lang may lasang konti yung aking electrolyte. I put apple cider vinegar. That's it for me. But other people use it for other things. Ito po modest effect lamang siya. Meron siyang effect, but it is modest. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng idaan sa pag-take ng apple cider vinegar yung high net carb food pa rin na kinakain mo na patuloy. So, it will never be able to parang supplement kung talagang bad yung lifestyle mo. So, that's the first premise. Ngayon, kung ikaw ay low carber, let's say low carber ka, paminsan-minsan ikaw ay nagkakaroon ng high net carb intake. Hindi naman madalas, pero paminsan-minsan. Then, apple cider vinegar can help kasi yung apple cider vinegar will help in lowering that sugar load. Nakakatulong siya Minor lang, hindi kasing laki po ang epekto niya, pero meron siyang ganung effect. Other studies show that apple cider vinegar can suppress appetite din. So doon sa mga magsisimula pa lamang, then yes, this is something that you can probably consider. Pero again nga, I am telling you that it will not make up for doon sa patuloy nating pag-high carb, tapos idadaan lang natin sa apple cider vinegar. It's not gonna work that way. Just as I tell you that you cannot out-exercise a bad diet or you cannot out-supplement a high-carb diet. Maraming mga tao, they have this false hope na kakain ako, Doc, ng 2 donuts tapos itatakbo ko mamaya. That's not how it works po. 80-20 rule when it comes to food, so nutrition, and exercise. Ang dami kong kilalang ganyan. Marathon runners, mga ganyan po, But they continue to gain weight kasi high carb diet. So ano nangyayari? Kala nila, maibe-burn nila yun with the running. But the reality is, ilan lang calories yung kaya mo ma-burn sa ganyan. Imagine ko yung nabili mo pang donut, ay yung talagang napakaraming kung ano-anong additives, May mga filling pa, may mga kung ano-ano pa dyan sa taas, saksakan pa ng daming asukal. You cannot outburn that. So, ganun din yung sa apple cider vinegar, with caution. So, sabi ko nga, kung occasionally, ikaw ay sa lifestyle natin na ito, paminsan-minsan lang naman na ganun, na medyo napataas yung net carb intake mo, pero hindi ka naman laging ganun, then you can use your apple cider vinegar as a supplement. But it's not something that you should rely on.